Hello guys, this is Pawan Kalyan, working as a digital marketer in General Technologies. Today in this video, I am going to share my thoughts how an SEO works and what are the roles of SEO in digital marketing. The title is SEO, not a job. Why the SEO is not a job? Because it is the passion that speaks more than the job. Want to know what is a passionate SEO do? Let's get into this stuff. What is SEO? Basically, SEO stands for the search engine optimization. You wondering what is the search engine optimization? Don't bother about the search engine optimization. I will explain it in a simple words. Search engine optimization means whenever you opens your Google Chrome or some other web browsing apps in your mobile or PC, when you search for something, it shows some results. That is the search engine optimization. Means a search engine optimization means whatever you are going to search, it optimizes the best one and gives the best output to you. Most of the people who are doing this SEO sees as a job, but not in a passion way. You want to know what is passion and what is profession? Okay, then let's get into this two things. While a person who is doing this SEO job is a profession, he sees this job as a profession. Means he learns some tricks and tactics which makes him a good SEO. I am telling you again, a good SEO, but not the best SEO. While in a passionate SEO, what he do means he explores the things. If the search result is for the mobiles, he optimizes the things. What is the best mobile that my customer is going to search? Uh, which product I am going to give him the best? He thinks like that and optimizes the best things for the customer service to make the customer happy. This is the passionate SEO do, and he will automatically become as a great. I repeat it once again. Make him a great SEO. What is the big difference between a good SEO and a great SEO? There is a lot difference between a good and a great SEO. The good and great are same, but the meaning between the good and great are very distantful meanings. What makes a great SEO means a thought experiment. What is thought experiment? Don't need to worry about this also. I am going to tell what is a thought experiment. First of all, let me give an example to explain this thought experiment. You are in a kitchen and doing a dish that you are not prepared before, but what you will do, you will go to the YouTube to search for the dish, and the YouTube search gives the topmost result of the dish preparing video, and he opens the video and see how the cook is cooking this that dish, and you will copy paste the same thing while doing so. You got a thought, right? That you going to YouTube, search for the best video to make something like a fish curry or a chicken curry. You searched in YouTube, right? And it given the result what you want. You copied and pasted as it is, and you get a good dish. You got a thought. That's right. This is the same thing is going to be implemented in the SEO. What he do means he goes on a search, he do research what type of things, what type of products, what type of services that a customer is going to need it, and what type of services he want to provide to satisfy his customer, and what makes him as a great customer. He going to thought in customer point of view, and things like a customer, what a customer will thought while searching a thing in a web browser. That is the thought experiment. Why less number of SEOs in our country? If you are not aware of this answer, I am going to answer this in my view. Most of the people are seeing this as a job, but some people who are passionate about this job and becoming a great SEOs, as I mentioned earlier, the professional SEO is a good, but passionate SEO become the greatest SEOs in the country. That's why there are less number of SEOs in our country, obviously. What makes a perfect SEO? As I mentioned before, a passionate SEO becomes the great, but I'm using the perfect SEO here. You can change the great SEO into a perfect SEO. The perfect or great, anything will related to the great. Three things an SEO will do to master him as an SEO. The first point is discovery, and second point is relevancy, and third point is quality. Discovery means discovery, relevancy, and quality. Why these three things only shortlisted to make a person into a perfect SEO? Here I am going to give you the answer. Discovery. If I am opened Google Chrome and searched for iPhone 11 Pro Max, it shows some results, right? That means if I want to buy this product, it will show some shopping sites. If I want to know the details about the product, it shows some gadget some gadget rating sites, right? This is the discovery. If uh, if I want to search an iPad 11 Pro Max, I will go and find it in Google. When I go on and searching for iPad 11 Pro in Google, I am getting some results, right? How I am getting that results? Is anyone thought how you are getting results by simply sitting and typing what you want and clicking search, and you will get the results? Did you did any one of you thought about the results, how they are coming? That is the discovery done by the SEO. He discovers the things: what is the best product, what is the best feature, what is the best one that satisfies my customer. He go on, discovers and gives the good product to us. Relevance is the thing which makes the topmost in your priorities. That means in market we have so many phones and gadgets for purchasing, but coming to myself, I want a laptop which performs well for gaming. As I am thinking for a laptop which performs well for gaming, the person who is searching right behind me also not searching for the PC that is good at gaming, but for the performance he wants. There is two types of things, right? Here comes the competition. If I am searching for a gaming console while the other person is looking for a good and best performing PC, and we are doing the search in the same time, but for me it will the gaming console result, for him it is a good performing results. Relevancy is a thing that prioritize your search results from top to bottom. Quality, it is the thing that related to the relevancy. If the product is quality is good in quality, it will be the topmost in your search results. If the quality of the product is low, it will rate it as low in your search results. you will see that when you search for something, you will get the best one in the top and the least one and the bad one in the least. Types of SEO. Like other things, this SEO part has also two types, that is on page SEO and off page SEO. On page SEO is a thing that is done by the webmasters who trained for the three things that we have discussed before, that is quality, relevance, and discovery. These are the three things we have discussed before, that a webmaster is trained to be. Off page SEO, this is the work done by us. That means whenever we went to a restaurant, we liked it so much, we take a picture in a restaurant and tag that restaurant place in our post that we are going to be posted in our social media sites. The off page, you are doing the off page SEO role, right? You are giving the rating. Yes, I have ordered this pizza in this restaurant, and this is a very good pizza I have received. This is the best service provided by something like restaurant. This is the review you have given in online. That means in your social media account you have posted this thing, right? If the product, if the service provided by the service provider is satisfied by you, you are satisfied with the service given by the uh, pizza center, and you have given a good rating in the online. Here comes the link between the on page SEO and off page SEO. The thing you are doing, that is off page SEO is doing, reduces the burden to discovery for the on page SEO. How an off page SEO removes the burden to discover things for the on page SEO? You have a question, right? Here comes your answer. You have posted good review in your social media account. What the webmaster do is, he will search what is the best restaurant in your area, in my area, sorry. He will get top, he will get some list. I will make it simple. In your area there are 12 restaurants which provides food, biryani, something, etc. But in that 12, which restaurant is the best one? You want to know which one is the best and go for it. You will go for each restaurant? No, you will not go for each restaurant, right? You will go to the best restaurant you want. So you will go for the best restaurant by searching in the online, which one is the best restaurant in my area. As earlier, some of the people given some feedback about some restaurant, that it is the good restaurant which provided me the good service. The on page SEO finds this feedback and uses this feedback as a discover part, and prioritize the relevancy list and make it and tops this restaurant in the list you want to search. I think you got the answer, right? Black hat SEO. Don't think this term as a hacking part, because there are so many restaurants around your area, but what is the best restaurant that provides best service for the customer? If we go and ask in every restaurant, is your restaurant good? Yes, they will tell yes, my restaurant is good and our service is good. As our humans nature, no one will going to accept their failure, right? If their food is not good, they will tell, yeah, our food is great, our food is awesome, but they will not accept, no sir, our food is not good, right? So what a black hat SEO do means, he will find the malicious pages, malicious social media websites that posting that that posting feedback for themselves only. I will explain it in a simple manner. If we go to a website for a review, we will find some feedbacks that have been already given, but in that comments, a black hat SEO will find some malicious social media accounts that has been maintained by the same restaurant who have been used to fake their reviews while a customer is in search for good restaurants around him. The black hat SEO finds these type of malicious things and reports to the server that this comment is a malicious one which have been produced or posted from a malicious social media website. So don't consider this. I am giving a total overview what I have been talking about this video. On page SEO do relevancy, off page SEO for quality. Webmasters do this on page SEO, users do this off page SEO. As long as one who mastering in SEO not understand this, he will be not he will not be a perfect or great SEO. Thank you for watching my video.